Let's talk radicals. Well, what is a radical? Well, think of it as a backwards exponent. I don't want to do that. 3 squared is the same as 3 times 3. 2 cubed is the same as 2 times 2 times 2. Well, what is a radical? Is breaking apart a number or find a number that multiplies it how many times. Here we have an exponent. Over here we have something called an index. When there is no index written, we mean the index is 2. So that was the square root of 9. It's in the name, square. The 8 is a cube root of 8. So it means what number times itself 3 times equals 8. So we could rewrite this as what? 2 cubed. Because of that, we can write this power, and that index cancels. When the index and the power are the same, they cancel, leaving just 2. So as I said, think of it in reverse of an exponent. Sorry, my phone just went off. So what number times itself is 9? Well, that would be 3. So in other words, do it in reverse. I can rewrite 9 as 3 squared. Then this way the index and the power cancel, leaving 3. Now you can do this on your calculator. Depending which calculator you have, you'll need to look for, let me pull mine out. I'm using a TI-84. And on the TI-84, you see a button that says x squared. It's on the left-hand side. Well, it's also on the TI-30 on the left-hand side. So if you look down through there, you're going to see that. And above it, you're going to see this written in color. What it means is to operate that, I need to hit the second button and then the x squared button. It'll give me square roots. On the TI-30, there's another button right above that you'll see something that looks like this. What this is meaning on the TI-30 is that it's asking for an index. So to activate for the cube root of 8, we would hit 3. Second, I'm sorry, I can't think of what button it's on. I don't have my TI-30 with me. Normally I can do this off the top of my head. So we're going to cheat. I'm going to pull up a picture here on my phone real quick. See if I can't see it. Come on, come on, come on. Of course. Yeah. Put second. It's called a caret. So 3 second. That is activating that button. So 3 second 8. And you just told your calculator on a TI-30 that you want the cube root of 8. Now, on a TI-84, you're not going to get to it quite as easy. On the TI 84 and 83, you want to hit the math button. And it's on the left-hand side, third button down. And you'll see frac. It does a drop list. You'll see frac, decimal, 3. That means you're going to take a number to the third power, but we don't tend to use that. But the fourth option is 3 that. That is how you tell the TI 84 you want a cube root. Right underneath that, you'll see this. So depending on which root you want, you're going to either choose this one or this one and use arrow down. Now, if you want to use the X one, you have to tell the index first. If you're just doing a cube root, don't have to. So let's say I want the fourth root of 16, which is 2. I'll tell you that. So you would hit 4, math, arrow down to this, and then type 16, and then enter. And that should tell you 2. But all you're doing is activating on the TI-30s and the TI-84s other operations inside the calculator. Okay? So I'll just do it in one sweep. So what would be the cube root 27? Using your calculator, see if you can do this. Whichever one you have, does not matter. I know it said we put in the TI-84 as a course requirement, but I'll be honest, you can get around it if you didn't have the money. I let the advisors know that you can get by with the TI-30. If this is the highest math class you need, TI-30, don't spend the money. But if we don't put it in as a requirement, then you can't use your financial aid. That's the reason why we do it here. So now that I've stalled, let you guys fumble. Your calculator should be seeing 3. Again, on the TI-30, you would hit 3 seconds, caret 27. That's the green. The TI-84, I'm going to hit math, arrow down till I see this, enter, 27, enter. I know it seems like a lot more steps, but the TI-84 has so many more operations, it does make it a little bit more complex. Either way, that is how we do perfect roots and how we get the answers. But what is a root? You're looking for some number times itself that many times to be able to get it, to get to 27. Or if I said 64, cube root of 64, well, that's 4. Right? So there's a little bit of calculator and how we use our calculator to get square roots and cube roots in any root. All right? Good luck.